Hey, welcome back. This is Excel video 351. This week's project, I'm working with a group that used to take just forever and a day to close their books at the end of the month. It was very complicated running all these crystal reports, importing them into Excel, cleaning them up, getting what they needed. And I said, no. Let's get to the source of the data. Let's get what we need. And let's simplify that process from days to minutes and really make life easier. If you've got a complicated process with too many reports that don't help you, let's talk. We're going to take our formula here with factors one more level today and play with this formula down here that still has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember last time we entered a named range with the constants. Well, what if we're going to tweak this range, or it might change over time and we want a simple way to do it? What we can do is enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know there's a bunch of ways to fill that, but we're just going to take this range right here. And I'm going to go back to formulas, named manager. Let's do new. And these constants here, I'm going to name, what should we call it? Changing factors. Really helps to have it all one word, no spaces in between. And I don't need to do anything fancy here. I don't need to do any braces or any ctrl+shift+enter or anything. I just need to define this range as changing factors. So factors is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Changing factors refers to these cells, and again, the constants is just the name of my worksheet tab down here. Don't let that confuse you. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 name changing constants, or changing factors, excuse me. I can come over here. We're going to get rid of our array there, and we're going to multiply it by changing factors. I'm going to tab so Excel believes me. Now, here's the trick. This is the one place, if I hit enter, I'm sunk. And if you do that, and you're like me, you occasionally do that, hit F2 to edit the formula and do ctrl+shift+enter. And now I've got what I want. And now I'm just going to come over here, format, paint this to that, and we're back in business. Now the advantage of doing it this way is I've got a little more visible way. If I want to change the factors, so let's say years 1 and 2 are both going to be 2, but year 5 is going to go up to 6. Notice how my formula changes and is reflected based on these numbers, as opposed to having to go back into the formulas, into name manager, go to these factors and edit it here. You get to the same place, but if you have somebody that's using your spreadsheet that's not as familiar with arrays and names and whatever, we could just highlight this and do something like that and say, enter factors here, something like that, and maintain the array this way. And again, I could use this changing factors named array wherever I needed to use it. That's what I wanted to show you about these naming things. I want to show you one more trick with the name of an array called transpose. We'll do that next time. Thanks for watching.